This is my 2015 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to show you the straight pipe setup I got on here. If we go down here, you can see where the exhaust comes down from the engine right there. And then this is where I removed the resonator and replaced it with just a piece of 2.5-inch steel pipe. Just get it at any auto parts store or even a hardware store like Lowe's or Home Depot. And then the two brackets on either side holding it on there. And if we follow the pipe back here, you can see that I've removed the muffler off the back, just with the one bracket right back there, and then the two rubber hangers on either side. So yeah, I'll give you guys a little startup. Now I did just have this running, so this isn't even a cold start either. It's still pretty loud. It's got a nice growl to it. So yeah, there you go. This whole thing costed probably around $7. It was just the two brackets down there, and then the piece of pipe, and of course I got the angle grinder to cut little slits in them so it would all fit correctly and the pipe would seal and I wouldn't get any exhaust leakage. Hopefully not a lot of exhaust leakage, but yeah.